I love the goats and their little scarves. Oh, well, hopefully that was a little bit earlier in the day, because as the day went on, right, David, it got even hotter out there.
Yeah, hotter and hotter, and then we officially reached 103 degrees right around 4 to 5 o'clock, making it the warmest day of the year so far in San Antonio. So hopefully it was earlier in the day, in the morning, preferably. So looking at the almanac, here's the official afternoon high. As I mentioned, 103 degrees in San Antonio, not close to the record of 106, actually set 2 years ago in 2024, but still extremely hot. Now we're still around 94 degrees. It's 10 o'clock and it's still in the mid 90s. Feels like 92 degrees because the saving grace has been the humidity. We have had drier air in the area, and that actually limited our feels like temperatures. So the high temperatures across the area: 103 in San Antonio, 106 in Pearsall, 106 in Cotulla. The warmest spot today was in Seguin. 109 degrees was recorded earlier today, and also they had a pocket of moisture in Guadalupe County, so that caused the feels like temperatures to be right around 110 degrees by 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, which is quite scorching. So here's a look at the humidity currently, and you notice that the drier air is still settled into our area, but areas closer to the coast east of I-35 have more muggy air, and those are the areas that really need to watch out for extreme feels like temperatures. So the day planner for tomorrow shows mostly clear weather, temperatures peaking at around 102 degrees by 5 to 6 o'clock. Can't rule out an isolated shower for parts of the hill country, but I will say if you live south of Kirk County, the chances of you experiencing any showers are closer to 0%. So all of this heat will continue, and it's because of what's happening in the upper levels of the atmosphere. We have a ridge of high pressure moving into the great state of Texas, and that's trapping the heat near the surface. Remember, high pressure acts as a cap, as a lid. And typically during the summertime, warm air rises, but with high pressure aloft, it blocks that warm air and it pushes it back near the surface, causing temperatures to be warmer than average. And that's also the main reason why we've been having triple-digit days more frequently in August. Actually, as a matter of fact, the majority of our triple-digit days so far this summer has happened recently. Over the past couple of weeks, we only had one triple-digit day in July, and that was in July 22nd, and we've actually had 6 consecutive days in a row of triple-digit heat. And I expect that number to increase throughout the next week, as we're expecting every day for the upcoming week to be in the triple digits each afternoon. So as of right now, we have a weather impact alert until Tuesday evening because of the extreme heat and the potential for feels like temperatures to reach over 105 degrees. The good news is that the humidity will continue to stay moderate, and it also could go low for Tuesday, getting into the less muggy side as well, and that could limit our feels like temperatures. But we could have some pockets of moisture, just like what we saw today in Guadalupe County, that could cause feels like temperatures in some spots to be over 105, maybe getting closer to 110 degrees. And that's the reason why the National Weather Service continues the heat advisory until tomorrow evening. They even added counties such as Bandera County, Kendall County, Medina County, and Frio County, when originally it was just for San Antonio, Atascosa County, the I-35 corridor, and counties east of I-35. So here's a look at the 7-day forecast, and it just shows more heat for the new week. Temperatures ranging from 102 to 100 degrees over the next 7 days. And in terms of our rain chances, 0% for the next couple of days. Our next rain chance will actually come next Thursday and Friday due to a weak frontal boundary, and that will provide just a low chance of an isolated shower or storm. Now the Cowboys, they've been making some headlines. Vinny, what do you have for us?